Welcome you guys to Xtreme Coatings and SNR Motors, where we specialize in truck accessories, spray-on bed liners, and trailer hitches. In the shop today, we have this truck here with this MX4 BAKFlip Tri folding tonneau cover. Show you how that works real quick. I'll tailgate open. It is completely secure. You can't get to its latches to open it if you have a tailgate lock. Show you how this works real quick. Pull on this guy. Each panel will open. You do it on the passenger side, driver's side. You'll have that full string there on each side. This is one of the positions you could haul it in. You got this locking mechanism. Boom, lock that. Do that on both sides. Next one is the upright position. Lean that up against the cab. Got a prop rod. Adjust it. Do that on both sides. You can cruise high weight speeds and actually use the bed. Last but not least, check out our bed liner. Protect your investment. Again, SNR Motors, Xtreme Coatings, truck accessories, spray-on bed liners, trailer hitches.